Good morning. Okay. Now 2 minutes more are there. So, good morning, children. Welcome back to my class. And we just started that next chapter, isn't it? So, that is this chapter is all about the waste. How does the waste forms around us? Yeah, how does the waste form in our house? Do you find any waste in your home after learning about waste?
Yes, ma'am.
Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you Aditya Krishna? Aditya, I think some network Aditya, can you hear me, Aditya Krishna? No. Okay, so let me ask you. Okay. Niharika. Niharika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. After that learning that about waste, did you find any waste in your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you helping your parents for removing, for get rid of that waste?
Yes, ma'am. I will
Okay.
help them to put the plastic away.
Okay. So I hope all the students will help in that work, isn't it? And after that, we learned three types of waste that it is formed in our body. Isn't it? Three types of waste that it is formed in our body. So, which are they? Who all know? Just raise your hand. I will give you chance. Janvi Dilip. Yes. Which all type
Ma'am.
of waste it is formed in our body?
Air.
Janvi.
Air.
Air. Air. Is it air or gas form? Which it
Gas.
gas form, isn't it? Air is in gas form, gaseous form. Okay, gas form. So gas form of a waste is there. Okay, then which other type? Tell me, Adira. Yes, let me give chance to Adira.
Water.
Water, liquid form,
Understood.
isn't it? Huh? It is in liquid form, excess water in our body that may become liquid waste. Yes, Catherine Lijo, last chance. Yeah, last point. Solid
Solid
waste.
waste.
So, can you tell me how does this solid waste form in our body?
When the food is in the digestive system, all the organs together absorb all the nutrients and useful things in the food. The remaining part will come the waste.
Unused food part, isn't it? Unused food and water forms the waste. So in the last class we learned what is meant by waste. I hope you note down the spelling of waste, isn't it, children? Hmm? Did you
Yes,
note
ma'am.
down this? Yeah, okay. So, waste in our
Yes, ma'am.
body. Different types of waste are there. Waste, how it forms in our body, or what is meant by the waste in our body. The unused food and water become waste. Unused food and water become waste. And not only that solid and liquid waste, we have this gas waste, means waste in the form of gas. So, and I told by pooping, by peeing, by breathing out, we can get rid of these types of waste from our body. I hope we discussed these all things in the last class. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So when we breathe out carbon dioxide, which is harmful gas, which it is formed in our body, we are actually get rid of. We are removing that waste from our body. So there is the name. There is a name for that process. While peeing, while pooping, these all through this we can get rid of the waste. When
Excretion.
we yeah, excrete. That when we are getting rid of this waste, that process is called excretion. So children, please note down the spelling. Mayasa, please read the spelling. I hope we did not write this one, isn't it? Mayasa, did we
Ma'am,
note down this spelling? Mayasa,
yes, ma'am. Yes,
did we
ma'am. Yes,
note down
ma'am.
this spelling?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So, Mayasa, please read the spelling. All the students write note down the spelling. See, children, in this chapter, you have to learn so many new words. Okay, so these spellings are something confusing. So each word you should learn. You should learn it by writing 5 times. Not now. Now, just write down this word: excretion. Srenga Srijit, please read the spelling of excretion.
Excretion. Excretion.
What is that word? Excretion. Evelyn, can you please read the spelling of excretion?
Yes, ma'am. Removal of plastic.
Spelling of excretion.
Oh,
First read the spelling.
okay. Excretion.
What is that word? Excretion.
Excretion.
Okay, excretion. So, Sri Rugda, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me what is meant by excretion?
Removal of waste from
Ah.
our body is called excretion.
Okay, read it properly, say it properly, confidently.
Removal
Sri
of,
Rugda.
ma'am,
Ah,
removal
say
of
it.
waste from the body is called excretion.
Excretion, not excreation. See, when you are pronouncing it as excretion, A should be there, isn't it? Is there any A is there in the spelling?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. So, what it is? Excretion. Okay? Excretion. Excretion. Creation. Don't pronounce it as creation. A is not present. Okay? So, don't make mistakes. Excretion. That is excretion. What is meant by excretion? Removal of waste from our body. Removal of waste from our body. That is called excretion. So Sweden, Paul. Unmute Sweden, Paul. First. Yes, tell me, Sweden, tell me, what is the name of that process of removal of waste from our body?
Excretion.
Say it.
Excretion.
Excretion. Say, children, it is not your fault. You are maybe you heard more about creation. That is why. Okay. But this day onwards, today at this time onwards, Exretion. You when how you will pronounce Exretion?
Excretion.
Excretion. Okay, Achyut, tell me how you will pronounce Exretion.
Excretion.
Yeah, very good. Azad, can you hear me? Azad? No. Okay, Hail, Teresa, can you tell me what is the name? Azad, please wait. Okay, now you can. Please wait. Okay, Hail Teresa. So, what is the name of the process of removal of waste from our body? Hail.
Excretion.
Excretion. Yeah, very good. Okay, so you can ask to your ma'am. So who is teaching accent? So is it correct or not? Okay, not excretion. Don't say a sound there. Okay, that is wrong. So Asad, now can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of the process of removal of waste from our body?
Excretion.
Excretion. Okay, so here we already know the methods how we can excrete these all waste. Now, the organ system, we already told carbon dioxide, we are breathing out carbon dioxide from our body. Is which all organs involved in breathing out? Who can say that? Raise your hand. Which all organs involved in breathing out? Which all organs help us in breathing out? Raise your hand. Children, Yes, raise your hand. Let me see. Very few. You went. Okay, you went. Raise. Okay, tell me. Yes.
Lungs,
Yeah, very good.
windpipe,
Very good.
nose,
Yeah, very good. Okay, is there any other organ? You went.
mouth,
Okay, either nose or mouth, but mostly we are using nose for breathing out, isn't it? So you were told the correct answer for breathing out. That means we are removing the gas form of waste from our body. While we breathe out, the lungs, the windpipe, and the nose, these all organs are working together. Am I correct? Am I correct, children?
Yes,
In the same way, when we are urinating or peeing, some organs are helping us to do it, isn't it? They are working together. So in our body, one organ system, group of organs are there that help us in excretion. That organ group, that organ system, we can call it as excretory system. Excretory system. EX, see children, check the spelling. EXCRETORY. That is excretory. See, A is not there. As I already told, A, don't say the A sound. In the same way, excretory. Okay, excretory system. Is it clear? Is it clear? So children, Prarthana, please read the spelling of excretory system so that the others can note down it. Everyone should note down it. Okay? Prarthana. Yes?
yes, ma'am.
Read the spelling.
EXCRETORY.
What is that word? Wait. What is that word? EXCRETORY. What is that word?
Excretory.
Yes, very good. Very good. It sounds very nice. Then system.
SYSTEM.
Yes, system. System. Isn't it? So what is that word? Can you read it completely?
Excretory system.
Okay, very good. Then next one, Alex Princeton. Alex Princeton, please read the spelling of excretory system.
EXCRETORY.
What is that word?
Excretory system or
Excretory system. SYSTEM. Okay. So children, read it loud. Then only that word will mark it in your brain. Okay. Aditya Krishna, please once again, please read that spelling. Children, those who missed to note down the spelling, now itself to do it. Okay. One time.
EXCRETORY.
What is that word?
Excretory.
Oh, okay, excretory. TORY. SYSTEM system. System. Okay, so that is the name of the organ system that helps to remove the liquid waste. Okay, that is liquid waste from our body. So what is an excretory system? The organ system which removes the liquid waste from our body. That is called excretory system. Different types of waste we can remove: solid waste, gas form of waste, then the liquid waste. So here in excretory system, some organs are grouped together to remove only the liquid waste from our body. Okay, only the liquid waste from our body. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? So let me ask you, Niran.
Yes,
Unmute fast. Yes. What is the name of the organ system that removes the liquid waste from our body?
Excretory system.
Okay, Janvi Dilip, what is the name of the organ system that removes the liquid waste from our body?
Excretory system.
Okay, can you tell me the spelling of excretory system, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Excretory system.
Okay, excretory system. Now, I think we can see which all are the parts, which all are the organs that present in the excretory system. Isn't it? So, in the third standard, you might have learned bean-shaped organ. Have you learned it? Do you remember that?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
bean-shaped
Ma'am,
organ. Yeah.
kidney.
Yeah, kidneys. Okay, so how many kidneys are there? A pair of kidneys. Okay, pair means two. Two in number. So two kidneys are present in our body. So children, next new word. It is not at all a new word, but you should write down. Okay, kidneys. Now let me call one student for reading the spelling. Yes, Vedika, please read the spelling of kidneys.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Kidneys.
What is that word?
Kidneys.
Okay, kidneys. Okay. Ameya, can you please repeat the spelling of kidneys?
Kidneys. Kidneys.
Okay, so there are a pair of kidneys in our body. So next one, a pair of ureters. See children, I will explain about these all organs in the next class. Okay, just today I want to introduce the organs and the names of it. Okay, so a pair of ureters. So what is ureters? I will show you. I think you know it is the kidneys, isn't it? Kidneys. And next one, can you see a pipe like two pipes that it is originating from the kidneys? Can you see that, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Tubes, isn't it? Two tubes. That means a pair. That tubes are called ureters. Ureters. Can you see the spelling of ureters? Can you see the spelling? Okay. Adidev, please read the spelling of ureters. Children, please note down. Okay. Adidev MJ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the spelling of ureters.
Ureters.
Okay. Once again, you Adidev, read that word. Spelling. Adid.
Yes.
First letter. Which is that first letter? Adidev MJ. Please read it fast. Ters, ureters. Okay, ureters. Joan Verghese. Yes, please.
Excuse me.
Yes, somebody is calling. Who is that?
Evelyn.
No. Okay, Joanne Verghese, are you
Ma'am, it's
Evelyn?
Evelyn. Yes, ma'am.
Evelyn?
Yes, ma'am. I am sick. I can't. I feeling like vomiting. Can I leave the class?
Okay. Fast. Okay. So, Joanne Verghese.
Ma'am.
Joanne Verghese. Yes,
ma'am.
can you read the spelling of ureters?
Okay, ma'am. Ureters.
What is that word?
Ureters.
Ureters. Vaishnav Bijoy, please read the spelling of ureters.
Ureters.
What is that word?
Ureters.
Once again, read it.
Ureters.
Ureters, 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 ureters. See, these are not the common words. That is why I am repeating that. Kidneys, you might have heard about it, but ureters, it is a new word, isn't it, children? So read it properly, write and study also. Okay. Advaita, Advaita, can you please repeat the spelling of ureters?
Ureters.
What is that word?
Ureters.
Ureters. Okay, ureters. Okay, so let me see the next organ. So bean shaped organ, you can see this, these are the kidneys. Then from the kidneys, two pipe-like structures are originating from these kidneys. What is the name of this pipe-like structure that originate from kidneys? What is that, Achut? Ureters. Okay, that those are called ureters. And see, these two ureters are getting into one bag-like structure. Can you see that, children? Like a bag-like organ, isn't it? That organ is called urinary bladder. That bag-like organ is called urinary bladder. I think you have heard about it. No, bladder, likewise, sometimes. Okay, so urinary bladder. How many of you heard about the urinary bladder? Raise your hand. Let me see. Okay, Mayasa. Okay, very few students only. Okay, no problem today. Okay, Aris also heard it. Okay, so here the new word, it is the urinary bladder.
My
So
mother
let
was a nurse.
Okay, your mother. Okay, okay. So good. Next one. Niharika, please read the spelling of urinary bladder. Let me zoom in that one so that you can see these words, these letters clearly. Okay. Niharika, yes, tell me.
Urinary. Urinary.
Wait. What is that word? Urinary.
Urinary.
Okay. Next word.
Bladder. Bladder.
What is that? Bladder. Okay. Aris Nihal, can you please read this word?
Sangeeta ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you erase the line?
Okay, okay. I will erase it. Okay, I will erase it. Okay. So that labeling part, should I erase that one? Okay. Is it clear now? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. 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 So urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. Advaita, please read the spelling of urinary bladder. Advaita. Yes, I can hear you. Please read it.
Urinary.
Hmm.
Bladder.
What is that word?
Bladder.
Urinary bladder. Okay, so that is the third organ. And see, at the end of the urinary bladder, can you see a opening? Can you see a pipe-like structure? That pipe-like structure is called urethra. Urethra. Okay. So is it Hazel Joby? Hazel Joby, please read the spelling of urethra.
Urethra.
What is that word?
Urethra.
Urethra. Okay. So next one. Aris Nihal. Yes. Read the spelling of urethra. Yes. What is that word? What is that word?
Urethra.
Urethra. Okay. Dhananjay, can you read that word? Dhananjay, switch on your video. I want to see you. Dhananjay. Yes, Dhananjay, read the spelling of urethra.
Urethra.
U-R-A.
Very good. Urethra. What is that word, Dhananjay?
Urethra.
Okay, very good. So, children, these are the four important organs in the excretory system. Okay, so a pair of kidneys. You can see that kidneys here. Then a pair of ureters. Then a bag-like organ that is called urinary bladder. Then at the end of the urinary bladder, there is a pipe-like structure. The name of that pipe-like structure is urethra. So these four different organs working together. These four organs working together to remove which type of waste? Which type of waste? Liquid waste. Okay, that is very, very important. That is very, very important. These four types of organs working together to remove the liquid form of waste from our body. So I think you know the name of the liquid form of waste which we are removing from our body, isn't it? Huh? So how many of you know that? Raise your hand. How many of you know it? Raise your hand. Let me see. Those who know. Okay, okay, wait, let me see. John Varghese, yes, tell me. What is, you don't know. Achyut, tell me, what is the name of the liquid waste that it is removed through the excretory system?
Urine.
Urine, isn't it? Huh? That is called the liquid excess water. Yes, keep it down, children. Keep your hands down. The excess water in our body, along with excess salt, which it is formed in our body, that all removed it in the form of urine. Urine is in liquid form, isn't it? So liquid form of waste such as urine, it is removed by which organ system? I will ask, though don't say the answer, don't say the answer. See, the liquid form of waste such as urine, it is removed by which type of organ system? What is the name of that organ system? Yes, John. Yes, Joanne.
Excretory system.
Okay, excretory system. I think, are you able to say the organs in the excretory system without seeing? Are you able to see? Say it, children.
No.
How many are ready? How many are ready? Let me see. Don't worry. If you are not able to say it, don't worry. Because now only you started to learn that one. Okay, so let me take it. How many of you know? Okay, Azza, tell me, which are the organs in the excretory system? Tell me fast. Fast. Tell me. Don't waste time.
Kidney.
Okay, some Hadi Singh. Okay, Hadi, tell me. Okay, all children, please wait. Keep your hands down. Hadi, tell me, are you ready to say the organs in excretory system?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, which are the organs in the excretory system?
Kidney.
Okay,
Ureter.
ureters. No, two are there. So ureters.
Urethra.
Is it after ureters? Is it urethra? Urethra is there, okay. Ureters, after ureters. Urinary bladder, isn't it? Urinary bladder, then the urethra. Okay, so I will give chance to all. Let me see it. Okay, Ameya, are you ready, Ameya?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, children. Ameya, yes. Can you tell me the names of the organs in the excretory system? All the children, students, I think you have the name with you, no? These organs name. So read it. Now itself you can learn. No need to learn it after that. Okay. So Ameya, tell me, which are the organs in excretory system?
One is a kidney, ureters, ureter, bladder,
urethra.
See, first onwards. It's not clear. First onwards.
Ureters,
Hmm.
ureter bladder, urethra.
Okay, Ameya, please listen to Adharv. Adharv, tell me, which are the organs in excretory system? Yes, unmute Adharv.
Kidneys,
Hmm.
urethra,
Urethra is the last one, no? So, connected to the kidney, which are they? Two pipe-like, tube-like structures. Okay, wait. Oh, okay, wait. Not Prarthana. The other one, who is that one?
Pranav.
Pranav. Okay, Pranav. Okay, tell me. Which are the organs?
Kidneys,
Hmm.
ureters,
Ureters. Hmm.
urinary bladder,
Okay.
and urethra.
Okay. So, other, can you please repeat?
kidneys,
Hmm.
ureters,
Hmm.
urinary bladder,
Urinary bladder. Hmm. Hmm.
urethra.
Urethra. Very good. Ameya, can you repeat it? Ameya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Kidney,
Ah,
urethra,
not kidney. Two are there. So, kidneys.
kidneys,
Hmm.
ureters,
Ureters. Hmm.
ureters,
Hmm.
urinary bladder,
Very good. Hmm.
urethra.
Urethra. Okay, so these are the four organs that present that makes this excretory system. Sweden Paul, please tell me the names of the four organs in your excretory system. Sweden Paul,
Urinary bladder.
is it first? Is it a urinary bladder?
Ma'am, time is up.
Wait, 1 minute. Let me let this. Who it is? Sweden, please tell me. Is he present now? No. Okay, Vedika. Vedika.
Is present.
Okay. Let it be. So Vedika, tell me.
Kidneys, urethras, urinary bladders,
Wait. Kidneys. Then which is that word? Tube-like organ. Ureters. Okay, ureters. Urinary
ureters,
bladder.
bladder,
Then
urethras.
urethra. Okay, so children, today you have to. Who is that?
Joanne.
Okay, Joanne. Okay, after that I will stop. Read it.
Kidneys, ureters,
Hmm.
urinary bladder,
Hmm.
urethra.
Okay, so children, in the next class we will learn in detail. Wait. Okay, Sri Bhadra Jenish. Okay, you did it. Yeah, you have to do one activity. In the workbook, there is a, I think you can see a space there. You have to draw and label. Okay, so I think you can start it now. Isn't it, children? You draw it, label it, draw it. Yeah, that Janvi Dilip is showing on that place. You have to draw the organs in excretory system and you can mark it.
Ma'am, we
Okay?
should draw that